birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ayan, hello, good evening. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo, Althea, my co-founder. Ayan, Althea Jaya. Ayan, wish ko sa iyong karoon ngayon, sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyo, and then be good health. Ayan, maging totoo ka sa lahat ng bagay ng kung anong meron ka ngayon at natatamasa mo ngayon sa iyong buhay. Ayan, sana magtuloy-tuloy ka pa rin sa iyong ginagawa ngayon habang nasa TikTok ka, and then thank you so much at naging party ka ng buhay ko, and then party ka ng group natin, and then thank you, and God bless, mabuhay ka. Ayan, thank you so much, love you.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Okay, hindi ko alam kung kailan mo ito maririnig o mapapanood, but I hope or I wish you all a happiest birthday ever, na you're so lucky, so blessed na nandiyan ka ngayon, may celebrate mo with your loved ones. Sana rin na I'm hoping na ma-celebrate mo with Jason. Wala na, speechless ako. In my part, I'm so happy din. I'm really blessed na nakilala ko kayo, nakilala kita, and siguro yung serendipity. Ayun ang sinasabing serendipity na with luck, or hindi siya lang a fluke, hindi siya sinadya talaga siya ng panahon, o siguro ginawa ng Diyos na mapagpad ako din sa live stream ni Jason para to meet you guys. Sa yung lahat, mapakaswerte ko talaga, guys, dahil nararamdaman ko na para kayong not only my family, a friend as well na nandyan. So, Althea, I won't say advice, ayoko nag-a-advise pero alam mo, sa larangan na tawag doon, yung hindi lang sa world ng TikTok, in real talk to, be positive, stay strong, dahil you being with Jason, maraming nagiging hassle dyan. Maraming mga tao na ayaw nilang makita kayong happy, nararamdaman ko yan. And also, ingat ka rin sa pagtitiwala basta-basta sa mga tao. I'm not saying na huwag ka magtiwala kay Jason, but ramdamin mo, i-feel mo sa puso mo kung sino yung taong mapagkakatiwalaan na, pabibigyan mo na, masasabihan mo na mas secret mo. Mahirap kasi yung trust and respect, mahirap hanatin yan. But anyway, ayun lang. And alam mo pa, I hope na one day, I really hope one day na ma-meet ko kayong lahat. Nahihirapan din kasi ako minsan nakikita ko kayo sa live na gusto ko kayong akapin, hindi ko magawa. Ako yung affectionate na tao. So kaya, true gifts na lang. Doon na lang ginagawa ko. Anyway, happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, good morning, Uncle Althea, our co-founder and DJLC 23, hashtag Let's Go Pangat. Today is your special birthday, special day. Happy birthday. Wala na akong masabi kasi I know nasa iyo na ang lahat. Maganda, sexy, tsaka mabait. Wish ko lang is good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your life and Thank you, Cole, for trusting me, for sharing me your ups and down. And thank you too sa pakikinig sa akin. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Miss Jaya. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Sana mag-enjoy kayo dyan. Lalo na ikaw. Malapit ka nang humawak ng mic. Joke lang ha. Huwag ka mapipikon. Anyway, happy birthday. I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye!
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday sa'yo. Masaya ako kasi ikaw yung naging nanay ko sa TGLC para kay tatay. I hope na hindi ka magbago. Hindi magbago yung pagmamahal mo kay tatay. Always kayo happy ni tatay. Sana kayong forever. Again, happy birthday to you. Tagal namin pinaghandaan ito, pero ito, success. Happy birthday again, and more blessings to come. Be strong lang. Kaya mo yan, at kaya ko to. Kaya natin lahat, mga TGLC, diba? Go, happy birthday. Love you, Nay.
Happy birthday, Apo. Sana maging masaya kang yung birthday nito. I know naman, alam ko na maging masaya ka ng birthday nito. Alam ko kasi makakasama mo si Founder. At sana tuloy-tuloy na yung kasiyahan, tuloy-tuloy na yung happiness na dumarating sa buhay mo kasi deserve mo yan, mabait kang tao. Thank you sa lahat. Alam mo na yun kung ano yun. Salamat na marami sa inyo. Ay, Ginoo ko, di talaga marunong magdrama. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit. Yun lang.
Hello po. First of all po, happy birthday po, co-founder Althea. Wish ko lang po sa iyo, kahit hindi po tayo nagkikita in person, always take care of yourself, be humble, and stay strong. Of course, stay pretty. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Salamat kasi kayo yung nagiging kaparaanan para magkaroon kami ng kaaliwan kung bakit kami narito at sumali sa grupo ito. Congratulations po sa lahat. Team Let's Go Paangat. God bless you po. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hello! Kamusta na? Happy birthday, mahal kong Tayang. Si Tayang na maganda, mabait at sexy. Sana mapanatili mo ang iyong kagandahan at kaseksihan. At always, alagaan mo ang iyong health. Wish ko na sana maging happy ka forever in your life. Happy birthday, Tayang. Tayang na maganda. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Tayang.
Binabati ko pala ng happy birthday ang co-founder namin na maganda. Sana marami pang darating na birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day at God bless.
Hello, Thea. Masasabi ko lang sa'yo, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Mag-iingat ka lagi at sana maging success ka sa life mo. Happy birthday. Salamat.
Batiin ng masayang arawan ni Ate Althea. Salamat po kahit sa GC lang po kita nakilan. Naging masaya po ako. Sana wag po kayo magbago. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Enjoy your day. Maraming salamat po.
Hello po. Greet lang ako sa ating co-founder, Althea, nanay ng TGLC. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po maraming birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Sa lagi kang masaya, laging healthy. God bless po. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Good morning po, Ma'am Althea. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health. Stay humble. Stay strong. More career. And many birthdays to come from TLG family. We love you po, Ma'am. Happy birthday po ulit, Ma'am Althea. God bless you po.
Sa aming Mother Superiora sa TikTok, Miss Thea, malaking karangalan po sa akin na mai-greet ka sa iyong special day today. Wishing and praying that the Lord will always successfully grant all your heart's desire sa iyong career, sa iyong love life. Stay healthy, beautiful, and always supportive to our TikTok founder. Wishing you a happy birthday. Love you. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Hello, Miss Althea Admin. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Hello everyone! From TGLC Lady Gaga ay nagpapasalamat sa mga lahat ng TGLC family na nandito tayo ngayon. Sana di na magbago kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap natin. Andito lang ako at bumabati sa ating co-founder na si Thea na happy birthday and more power to you. Enjoy to your day and happy. At nandito lang kami mga TGLC family na bumabati sa iyo ng iyong kaarawan na sana kahit maputi na ang buhok na katulad ko, hindi mo kami makalimutan. Enjoy your day. At hindi mo kami makalimutan ha, kahit na maputi na yung buhok mo, ang Lady Gaga ng TGLC bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday, more power, more health, and happy kay, alam mo na, ang ibig ko sabihin. Thank you to all the TGLC family. Happy birthday, co-founder Thea. Good luck! Enjoy!
Hi, Ma'am Althea. Happy birthday. I wish that you are in a good health always. Together your family. Keep safe always, Ma'am Althea. God bless. Bye.
Hello po. Hello ang awa. Unang-una sa lahat, hello po kay Miss at co-founder Althea. Gusto ko lang bumati sa iyo ng isang maligayang kaarawan ngayon. Wish ko lang is good health lang lagi and ingat sa trabaho. God bless sa iyo at sa pamilya mo po. Yan lang po. And once again, happy birthday po sa inyo. I hope enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Thea. God bless you always. More birthday to come. And ingat ka po palagi. Enjoy your day because it's your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, co-founder. Stay pretty, stay humble. Yun wish ko sa'yo, yung palaging divine protection from God. Hindi lang sa'yo, pati rin sa family mo. Ayun, enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tia. I hope all your birthday wishes comes true. Enjoy your day.
Morning po. Morning, Uncle Tia. Happy birthday. Masaya ka sa birthday mo. Ngayong araw na to. Happy birthday ulit. And God bless. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye, Uncle.
Birthday, Ma'am G. I wish wish you more birthdays to come and more candle to blow. Always healthy life. Sana hindi lang tayo dito nagkakilala. Maliit lang ang mundo na magkita man tayo sa Pilipinas. Ganon pa rin tayo kung ano tayo dito sa group ng TGLC. Sorry minsan na nalilit ako kasi 10 o'clock na ako gigising. Minsan maaga akong gumigising kung maagang natutulog kasi lagi kaming lumalabas. Alam ni Patong yan mula noon kung anong oras ako nagigising. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love you. God bless you always.
Lang batiin ng isang masayang kaarawan sa nanay ng tahanan ng PGLC. Happy birthday, Althea. More birthday to comes to you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Teya. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Bawal ang malungkot sa birthday. Enjoy mo lang ang iyong sarili. Happy birthday, co-founder Althea. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Celebrating our birthdays is a message to the universe that we are grateful for what we are and for what we have become. Enjoy your day, co-founder Althea. I wish you a very happy birthday. I only see you in pics, and knowing you through this group is not just a coincidence. It is a plan that we have to meet because you and I will be able to share our thoughts and our happiness. Stay happy, think big, think of financial freedom. All of us are entitled to this. Just learn how to manifest.
Happy birthday, co-founder Thea. Thank you at nag-accept niyo ako ni Founder Jason sa TLGC 23 family. Wish you all the best, more blessings to come. And sana marami pa tayong araw na mapagsasamahan. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Gusto ko lang batiin ang ating founder si Ma'am Althea sa GTLC. Maligayang karawan, Ma'am Althea. God bless to.
Hi, co-founder Althea. Happy birthday. Enjoy sis. Happy birthday sa iyo. Sana happy ka sa among birthday mo. Pasensya na hindi ako makaka-attend sa birthday mo.
And that's it. Thank you for everyone for sending the greetings to our co-founder Althea. And I hope Uncle na surprise ka namin. Happy birthday again and enjoy your day. I love you and God bless.